Check, check, check. Is this thing on? Shout out to everybody here on the live. Thank you for jumping on in. Appreciate each and every one of you for being here, sharing your most precious sassy with me, and that is you, Tom. Welcome to the Crypto Lifer Show, baby. I'm Sam Price. Welcome to the show. Hope you're having a good, beautiful day, hanging out there on this beautiful Sunday morning in these summer months, man. These are the times to be alive. Shout out to everybody here on the live. Thank you for jumping on in. Bam. Wow. What an intro. That thing gets me hyped every time. We've done so much in the past few years, grinding with my team, man. We've made so much happen. We've traveled so much. We've gone so many places. Shout out to everybody here on the live. Appreciate you. Thank you for that beautiful intro. Shout out to ITrust Capital, always holding us down. ITrust Capital, the only crypto IRA platform in America. XRP was huge for them. They're holding tons of XRP right now. XRP holders love ITrust Capital. Shout out to everybody here. You were asking about DVPN. We put it on the live stream recently. I remember drawing this cup and handle, drawing the Fibonacci, talking about how it retraced down to the fib of that 706 level. It was in the golden pocket right there. Then we even gave you this flag. It pumped up again, came back down to bounce out the 0.5, and it was gone. 70% out the cup and handle. This is why I trade the cup and handle. Explosive moves to the upside. Akash Network. I put it out in a beautiful, beautiful buy zone here. Tight in the zone. Just understand these concepts. Look, up 156% in 10 days, 12 days. That's insane. That's like 15% every single day. Can you believe that? That's a lot of money coming into your account. That's huge. And you would have been able to learn how to do this with me every single day on my channel. Stop wasting time. Join the trading group. Link in the pinned comment section here. If you can't find it still, you're still not sure where it is, let me pin it here because I don't think I got to pin it yet. Pin this message up here. It will be the big bright blue message. You can click on right there. Join my Discord. You can go to CryptoLifer.com if you don't like Discord. We have so many ways. You can still go to Patreon, but we've moved off Patreon. They took so much of my money. Like, they're just the worst. They're not there for the creator. I just have to be honest. They are there to gouge you so bad, right? But CryptoLifer.com, check out CryptoLifer.com. Check it out today. Open for August enrollment. Check it out today, all right? See what people are saying, see what's going on. Jump on into my trading group. I'm telling you right now, you can join the Crypto Lifer community right here by clicking the link at CryptoLifer.com. So check it out. We're here for you every single day. Pocket Network, banged on them. Another one that I talked about also was getting talked about on Token Metrics. We put 2 and 2 together, and I always like the Pocket Network. I like the name, I like the look, I like the idea. And look at this thing skyrocketing since I first put it out to the upside. Look at that. I mean, I put it out down here, said highly likely of a move with the alerts and everything. A total up 50% gains, still holding gains really nicely. It's actually pumping as we speak. The Pocket Network getting some love right now. Then we also put it in this little flag later on, and that flag pumped 16%. Did come back down, pumped up again. A little bit of volatility there for the Pocket Network. And let's break down Bitcoin. Every single morning, I go over the gains that we made the night before. And then we go over Bitcoin as a trading group. And I do these updates every morning in the weekday. You would get a morning like this at 6:37 in the morning, hearing my voice, talking about Bitcoin. I usually don't show my face. It's just a quick, but it's down and dirty. We just break down Bitcoin. So let's talk about it. Let's see what happened last night. Remember, we were in a symmetrical triangle last night. The 15-minute was bearish, about to dump on us. As I went to bed last night, I said, watch that 15-minute. It looks like it's going to take a dump. Right there, and it did drop. That was a beautiful short to the downside for Bitcoin. I called the short right there. Had you taken a short, I said we'd wake up somewhere in my green box. I was off by that much. I mean, you know what I mean? When we woke up this morning. And that's kind of a fun thing I do. I'm not trying to be perfect, but just try to see if I can catch Bitcoin in the box every time. So, you know, this makes me just kind of bring down this a little bit. It doesn't really change anything. I'll get rid of these lines. I don't know what I was doing there. Oh, yeah, maybe it's the symmetrical triangle on the 1 hour time frame. But see, now I see a bit of a falling wedge forming here on the 15-minute. And falling wedges break up 68% of the time. I see a bit of a shoulder, a head, and a right shoulder. I see oversold 15. I'm expecting a bounce to the upside here for Bitcoin. All right? All I want to see is some bullish divergence, and I get it on the RSI. I get swing up to swing up here on the RSI, even flat, and I get a downtrend here. It tells me that the trend should continue. Bit of a liquidation moment there, but not enough volume. We'll get BOOKMAP up and running for you too as well to show you what's happening to BOOKMAP. Shout out to everybody here that's on the live. If you're with me, you truly care about your portfolio. You want to make money more than anybody else in the space because the weekends don't scare you. You're willing to work no matter what every single day of your life to get it in. What do you think about LBTU today? 30% up today and going up nonstop. I mean, again, we gave this to you. Everyone wants to be spoon-fed, literally, and I try to spoon-feed, and I do spoon-feed. But, like, honestly, if you join my trading group and you just jump into the token metrics section, all right, and you focus on the coins that they're talking about every single week, we're going to help you, all right? We're going to help you. Like, Robit had a huge pump. Fortnite Bricks is on the radar now, right? Look at LPT right there, live peer. They were all over it. They told you it was bullish. Right? We posted this on 8/10. It's 8/13. We were 3 days ahead of you showing you these things. If you're in my trading group, you're going... I just don't understand. People don't realize it's worth way more than $99. I will scream it to the end of time. I'm a high-end person that puts in 110%. I know if you put me up against everyone in the world, I'm in the top 5 to 10% of workers, man. I work my butt off. So why don't you think giving me $3 won't make you money? I'm going to bust my butt every single day. If I haven't convinced you by my constant consistency that I'm not going anywhere, you watched me grow a channel from 100 subscribers all the way to 44,000. You watched me go from being a nobody to getting onto BitBoy. You watched me getting on Crypto Banter. You watched me taking over the crypto industry. You watched me go to Miami. You watched me network. You watched me meet BitBoy, Crypto Love, freaking, Crypto Face. You watched me meet everyone in the space. You watched it all happen. All right, the kids must have hit this. Hold on. I don't know why that. Something going on there. Sorry about that. But you saw so much happen. You saw me make it happen. So why don't you think hanging out with me won't make it happen for you? When you want to get rich and famous, you hang out with someone who's rich and famous. I'm not saying I'm rich and famous. I'm saying when I wanted to get rich and famous, I sought out people who were rich and famous. And I hung out with them, like Stephon Marbury, right? Like Twister, like Jadakiss. All right? I'm just saying, right? You get yourself to another level by hanging out with people on another level. Join the trading group today. Stop being afraid. It can happen to you. It will happen to you. I just want to see you break through, man. I don't want people to live in fear. You can, you will, you are the best. Ask people that are in the group that were afraid to pay the $99. Like, I don't know. Ask what happened to them once they did it, right? Yeah, see this guy, crypto, because humankind is resorting to its belief in self and other humans. The lies during the years have been deep engraved in their minds. So I believe you, Sam, and seen many times your value. Did you see hash ribbon signal on the weekly fired off? That was the green on the weekly Gaussian channel. Has got me bullish. I'm all about the hash ribbons. I love my hash ribbons, and we'll talk about hash ribbons in a second here. So I see the 15-minute breaking to the upside here in the next hour to hour and a half for a move to the upside. I see bullish divergence. And I see stochastics pushing to the upside. I see a falling wedge that breaks up 68% of the time, and we're oversold in the 15 and the 1 hour time frame. All right? Expecting some type of push out of this to the upside. This is a diamond, in my humble opinion, although you have to look at it on the 15 to see the diamond. Oversold on the 4 hour time frame. Can we get that double bottom? This is a bit of a cup and a handle on the stochastics RSI. Again, tonight, Sunday night into Monday, is heavy volatility. It's going to be out of control tonight, just so you know. Price action will be up and down. It'll be insane. Just be careful. Keep yourself, I don't overtrade on Sunday night into Monday morning. If I'm in a trade, I keep it open. I tend not to open too many trades or get too emotional on Sunday night into Monday morning. You're going to get the most volatility in the game on that night. So I still like sitting in on this 15 1-hour time frame. And, we're going sideways here. I do expect to move. However, we have a resistance that we've created at this point of control at 29,400. Now, that has to be broken for us to remain bullish. So 29.4 has to be lit. Then we have to break through 29.480, 29.5. Then this wick here at the top of the channel, 29.563. And then everybody knows, I've been saying it over and over again, these two wicks right here. Not here, actually. Sorry. Go to the 1 hour. And it's these two wicks right here. 30,350, 30,400. That's the weekly support of resistance. We flipped this area because you can't see it right now. But I'm going to remind you of it every single day. We flip this area. It's time to long big time because that's going to mean we hold in the weekly. Right now we're trying to play with weekly support at 29,300. All right. So I'm going to show you one other chart. This chart takes care of the 15-minute and the smaller time frames. So I don't want you to be confused. Let's zoom in here and just understand we're in a diamond. I would like the reversal of the diamond back to the upside. Okay. Remember, the bigger time frame still looks somewhat bullish too, like the 3-day chart, which we're going to bring up for you right now. So I see in the next 2 hours to 3 hours, the probability is we will break to the upside. I'm not 100%, but if you watch me day in and day out, you'll get to feel accustomed to the way I do TA, and I believe you will be able to use it to your advantage. All right, because I'm consistent, and anything consistent you can use to your advantage. All right, as long as you do the same thing over and over again, you will gain an edge. That is the edge of the market. I'm telling you right now, most people lack consistency. They will be born, they will die on this earth, and they will never form a great format of consistency. Anyone that finds consistency will become well-known, famous, and very, very rich. I'm telling you right now, it's that rare to be that consistent. Look at me. Why am I known? Why do people care about me? Because I'm consistent. I figured out how to be consistent. I figured out how to push all the other obstacles in my life away. I don't get sick enough to take days off, so I'm here every single day, right? Even if I am sick, I push through and I bounce back pretty fast. So I take care of my physical. No excuses for my physical. You know what I mean? No excuses for any reason why I can't achieve what I want in this life. I will go after it every single time, and I'll never fail. Because I know I create my reality, and if my reality says I won't fail, then I won't. Because that's the reality I created. You get it? I'm in control of my subconscious mind. It's far more than just, and I can teach you these concepts. I can teach you there's a way for any human being to become successful in life. There's an actual equation. You're 2. I can show you 1 and we can get to 3. I know it's crazy, but what I mean is you're a systematical mathematical equation. I just got to put you in the right frequencies and the right vibrations and you're going to become successful. People don't realize that. They think it's every successful person pretty much did the same thing. Tom Brady did the same thing every day. Worked out every day. He did the same thing. He worked out his muscles, tried to get the best at those muscles, tried not to get hurt the most by keeping himself limber and finding new ways to get, boom. He did it every single day. He got successful. Mike Tyson, every day he grinded in that gym, working. He had an innate ability. Some people have an innate ability. I have an innate ability to see the charts, to play with math, right? To have a hyperactive brain. I'm always able to kind of bounce pretty fast and see what's going on. That's my gift. I use that. Right? Once you find out your strengths, play into your strengths. Right? If you can talk well, make good eye contact, you're confident, you might be a great salesman. Play into that strength. If you're quiet, you don't like talking to people, but you're really detailed, maybe you'll be a good copywriter. And you can go through books and you can make sure that the books are perfect and everything's right. That was your strength. Play into your strength. Maybe you're shy. You don't like talking to people all the time. But maybe you're really good at helping shy kids and you want to become a guidance counselor in school. Boom. Right? Play into your strengths. Everyone has a strength right now. Everybody, because everyone has a weakness. And if you have a weakness, you have a strength. Play into your strengths. Use your strengths to your advantage. All right? My problem for me was I didn't know I had a hard time identifying. I had a few talents actually, so I had a hard time identifying which one I wanted to use. I was multi-talented. That can actually be a deficit because you'll be so talented, be like, well, I could, like guys who could play baseball, football, hockey. They got to eventually pick a sport. What if they don't pick any sport and they don't do anything? You gotta be consistent. So anyway, I see this as a bit of a falling wedge here. See that? Kind of compensating into a symmetrical. Where if I draw this fib here, we did bounce to the golden pocket. We're kind of hanging on this point of control. and we're oversold in the 1 hour and the 15-minute. I expect the bounce. However, we do have to breach 29,005 to remain bullish. So whatever happens, we got to close candles on the 4 hour above 29,400. I do expect to move in the next 4 to 7, 8 hours based on the 1 hour and the 15-minute time frame. And the 4 hour also being pretty low. So we will see what happens. If Bitcoin breaks back inside of this pattern here, it's all over. You know what I mean? We'll probably head to my circle. That's why my circle's there if we breach. But the moving averages are tight. We're above the 200 SMA on the 1 hour time frame. These are good signs that we are going to get a move to the upside for Bitcoin. So expect volatility. Anything is possible. But I'm giving you your Bitcoin update. Imagine this. You get a Bitcoin update like this every single morning, and I'm about 80% accurate. So when I wake up and I say, hey, we're about to short, by the time the live stream comes on at 10:15, the short may have played out or we're getting into a short. Now, I'm not saying every single time what I say happens, but it's pretty damn accurate, and it happens a lot. So I've watched myself make calls, and the next day it is what it is. And I'm not trying to toot my own horn. I do it over and over and over again, and the consistency creates a beautiful success rate. So everyone, I love you. Stay strong. Stay awesome. Today's a beautiful day to take your life by storm. Remember, today's a good day to have a good day. Every single day is a good day to have a good day. Today, you're going to have a blessed day. I know it. Shout out to everybody hooking me up. Shout out to the $10 super chat. Let's take a look at the super chats and see what's coming on in on the fan funding side. I do see a chat there coming on in, I believe. Nope, it must have been from yesterday. It just replays whatever happens. Everybody, thank you so much for coming on into the live stream. No super chats. No love, huh? No love, man. No love for the lifer, man. But it is a quick update. I usually don't get super chats on the quick updates. Crush the like button for Sammy Cuphead. If anyone can assist our Ohana family in Maui, vetted organizations with high for Maui, Coom Radio. Yeah, and moment of silence for the people in Maui. Let's pause right now. Moment of silence for the people in Maui. Dear Lord, please help everyone affected by those fires, stuck on that small island, not much places to go. I have no idea what that would feel like or be like. I saw some videos of people stuck in their cars. It was absolutely horrible. We don't know why you do or take those from us that we love, but may us live to learn, may us live to love no matter what, and go back to the source at the end of all. And I don't know why, the people that I've loved have been taken when they have been taken, but I do know that you have a bigger plan for us all, and I have submitted to that. Amen. Amen. All right, everybody, I love you all. I'm so sorry what's happening to those people. So I love everyone. I love each and every one of you. Pay attention to Bitcoin. I do see a move for Bitcoin to the upside based on the 15-minute and the 1 hour time frame. All right. I'm not a financial advisor. Nothing I say and do should be taken as financial advice. Shout out to Board Type Crow, who becomes a member for a month. I love you, brother. Let's crow. Shout out to Crypto Billy in the house. Shout out to Gregory the Sniper. Shout out to Steve Garza, Mountain Man, Chaos Trading, James Armstrong, Jim Board 66, Board Type Crow, Crypto Maniac. What's the logo on the bottom right? That is ITrust Capital. ITrust Capital sponsors the channel. And get yourself a crypto IRA platform today. Sign up to ITrust Capital and get yourself a crypto IRA today. I'm telling you right now, link in the description below. No days off, man. No days off. Did you go over JASMY? I didn't get a super chat for JASMY. As far as I'm concerned, I may be wrong. I got one thing here. God bless from Board Type Crow. Everybody, I love you. I appreciate you. And I'll be scanning the markets, looking for love every single day. If we break this level right here, see bounce, bounce. If we break 29.3, expect us to test 29,000. Almost forgot my baby BOOKMAP. Let's get BOOKMAP up and running real quick. Just give me 1 second to get BOOKMAP up and running. How many people we got on the live right now? I didn't even get a chance to check. 224 beautiful souls are willing to wake up on Sunday morning and look at the markets. But honestly, I will tell you, this is a good time to spend time with your family. The market is slow and in shop, right? At the same time, see, there's opportunity in the market. If you want to make it, you can make, like I see people still pulling gains. It's really up to your mind. You know, market is a little slower. There's a little less opportunity. You have to dig really hard for the opportunity now. So you could take a little time off and spend a little more time with family. Because when the bull rocket comes on, you're going to have to be full blown into the bull market. You know what I mean? You're going to be 110% full focus all the time, trying to get as much money as you can out of this market. And it's not going to be easy. So, you know, when you can, take some time. That's all I'm trying to say. When you can, take some time. And you can't always, right? So you do whatever you can. And that's the whole point. Let's take a look at BOOKMAP here for you, too, just to show you what's happening on the order books. Order book is pretty scant, pretty much like it is on a Sunday. There's just no one around. You know what I mean? We don't have enough whales playing games right now with the money. So 29K is really the only thing I see. That's the most solid price action. Says we could come to 29,000. We already talked about that. Said if we lost 29.3. So we will see. Well, BOOKMAP, man, there's a little more liquidity further up there. Just close enough to 29,400 too. But nothing crazy here on BOOKMAP. No big orders. The biggest orders are to the downside at about 29,000, but nothing too crazy. Everybody, that's about it for the day. Let me just jump back into the chat, and I'll be back tonight for Bitcoin and the weekly candle close every single Sunday night at 8 p.m. I don't know how we do it. Hi from Maui. Trading group, you discuss strategy or signals only. I don't give signals. I post every single setup that I like. I talk about all the things that I'm doing. I talk about positive mindset. Dude, the trading group will blow your mind. Join my free server right now. Everyone, right here. If you have questions about my about my trading group, join my free server right away and hit the watch first video. You'll join my free server. You'll get this watch first video and watch first right here. Welcome. This one right here, welcome to the 99. Watch that video. If you're not convinced that you're going to get so much for $99 a month and you can pay for, right now we're doing a special, $330. You get my trading class, the last Saturday of every month, which is a 2-hour class, which I give you a 12-point checklist and everything that I got going on. So thank you so much for the compensation. Thank you so much for the super chats. I greatly appreciate it. Dashiel Rodriguez, please watch this video. Actually, let me get it linked for you right now so you don't even have to think. Let me make it so obvious and easy for you. It's playing right now in the background. You're going to hear it.
Hi, my name is Samuel James Price. I'm known as Crypto Lifer on YouTube. Welcome to your first step to financial freedom. In my Discord,
It's true, though. It's true. Where did I put that video? Oh, there it is. So here you go. You gotta watch this video right here. You're asking questions. You want the answers. I have all the answers to your questions. You're gonna be blown away by what you get in this trading group. You've never seen anything like it, so you can't even compare it to the products that are out there. There's just nothing like it. Nothing, in my humble opinion. 7 days a week, baby. Every single day with live mentorship. Every day you're going to get live mentorship. Every single day. You can ask, if you're struggling, I always tell people come in and they're like, but I really need one-on-one. I'm like, come to the live stream and send a super chat. Be like, I really try to do this, but I'm having trouble. You can ask questions with super chat. Send in a $1.99 super chat, and I will go over any question you want. I'm always here. It's like 24-hour customer service, and for 2 hours a day, you get someone live. I am on TikTok. Yeah, you can catch me on TikTok. Caps Crypto, we care about you, and you got family here, brother. Super chat, JASMY. I don't see the JASMY super chat. Oh, can we take a look at JASMY? Zachariah. All right. And then we're out of here for the day. Shout out to DVPN, pumping to the upside. JASMY, baby, JASMY. And JASMY's on Mexi, KuCoin, Binance, you name it. So I have this set up for JASMY in this kind of, cup and handle. Higher, low, double bottom, pushing to the upside. The daily didn't really get back above the zone, though. Let's take a look at our 3-day chart. Our 3-day still wants to move. The best bet would I said to JASMY to get back above 4683 or 004683. If it does that, that would be a beautiful move to the upside. Like, that would be your safe move because that would be your resistance. Other than that, kind of an Adam and Eve double bottom here that could push to the upside. 3 days still has momentum. 4 hours pushing to the downside, though, so you have to flag out the 4 hour. So right now, I would be flagging out the 4. If the 4 can stay inside some type of flag like this, it's kind of got a shallow cup and handle, and it can continue to the upside. Golden cross occurring. 21 did cross. Wait for these stochastics to get low, and JASMY did technically break out of this long-term trend. I'm not a huge fan, but it looks like it could make a move. Far better idea is to wait for it to get back above this level here. Right there, that previous resistance. Use that as an SR flip at about 4715. All right. Thank you so much for the $19 super chat. Sent a note on Patreon. Sponsorship of your channel. Ernest Lee. Sent a note on Patreon. Sponsorship of the channel. Let's take a look at what you're saying here. Might as well look at it right now when I'm about to... Dude, something... Dust in my nose, man. I tend not to look at a lot of the messages on Patreon because I'm not on Patreon as much as I used to be anymore. Sent a note on Patreon. March 18th. I don't seem to see... I don't see anything. I'll take a look at it later, I guess. Thank you, Ernest Lee. I appreciate it, man. God bless you, brother. And thank you, everyone that sent in the super chat. I appreciate that. BlackRock is the only one winning. Never again, 65K. Really? You don't think we'll ever go to 65K? The secret is BlackRock isn't coming for Bitcoin. They want the utility. Assets. Think about it. Hey, you're probably spot on, man. I do have a notification here on Patreon. BlackRock is pumping a couple coins a day to accumulate all the coins. It's going to bring money to the space. Simple as that. Hey, Lifer, do you have an open chat room Discord? Yeah, we do. The 99, yeah. You know, BlackRock scooped it up at 16 to 17K, just like I did, man. We all did. We were smart money, man. We did the right thing. I'm so excited for this message. I get excited when people message me. Ernest Lee, here you go. I see your message. Just reaching out to thank you for your insight you share on your channel. I've been trading crypto, primarily Bitcoin, since 2020, and I've frequented many other channels in the quest. I don't know if it's just that I learned from repetition, which I certainly do, or that you deliver a message that just resonated, but I've learned a lot watching your post. I'm an attorney and accountant and an investor. I own a law firm, 2 tax prep, and a consulting firm, and an investment fund, and a motorcycle company. Wow. One of my tax practices, Decrypted.tax, is a full-service tax accounting firm. Interesting. All right, let's sit down and have a Zoom, man. I got to buy at 15,700, my man. Me too. You know BlackRock souped it up. XRP ETF, maybe, definitely. There's going to be all sorts of ETFs. Everyone, I got to jump. This is a quick update, but it always ends up going way later. I appreciate each and every one of you. I love you, and I appreciate you all. I've learned where there's FUD of lost buying is going to be a dumb hard because whales are going to take profit in that season. The SEC are delaying the Beacon ETF is all a trap to get everyone in to Bitcoin for them to rug pull the lot. I don't know, whatever you think, man. I don't know, man. I don't buy it. Bitcoin is a scarce asset, man. Stop reading too much conspiracy theories. It's a good time to buy Bitcoin after the halving. It'll skyrocket. And if Bitcoin enter, we're going to 1 mil soon. I don't know about 1 million, but we're definitely going to get a $5 trillion market cap, you know. Decreasing volume, yet coins are pumping 50%. Doesn't make sense. The coins can't pump without the volume, man, so you don't make sense. You know what I mean? Obviously, I've been trading for a long time. Coins pump. There's always a coin pumping, like Blue Zell. Look at Blue Zell, this oldie but goodie. They have a deal with Sony, too. Back when they did, I mean, there was some talks of them doing something with PlayStation. Blue Zell getting the pound, getting the nod today. Funny. And DVPN. Free news crypto. Wow, a bunch of little coins getting some pumpage here on the morning. Interesting. And LPT Live Peer getting just sent to the upside. Token Metrics is amazing. They gave us Live Peer 3 days ago on the 10th. Look at that. Boom. I mean, we have everything you need to succeed in my trading group. I figured it out. I've thought it through. I said, well, how could I take someone from 0 to 60 the fastest way possible? I said, well, they could take my beginner's course. They could learn what stochastic RSI is, MACD, supportive resistance, Fibonacci, and moving averages. Then I'll slap on the VRVP, and I'll slowly get them acclimated to volume, and I'll move them into the next level. And I've turned people that have never seen the charts before. I'm telling you right now, I know 20 people that have never charted in their life. They joined my trading group, and they all got evaluated with these like prop firms, and they all got, they all passed their evaluations. People come to my trading group and they pass their evaluations, like I think over 100 people at this point I've seen DM, hey, I personally don't do it. I made my own money from scratch. I turned my own $500. I don't need anyone else's money. I probably never do a prop firm, but I was raised by a gangster. I'm a true G. You know what I mean? I don't do that. But again, some people didn't get the opportunities I got, right? Didn't find Canopy Grow Corp on the low, didn't find, Great Panther Limited, couldn't turn $5,000 into $10,000, $10,000 into 50, right? Flipped it, stay patient. So you want to use prop money, go use a prop firm and use prop money. I don't personally do it, so I can't tell you things I don't do. You know what I mean? I'm a self-made man. I never had to use no prop firm. So, but again, you do whatever makes you happy. All right. I'm not knocking anyone that uses a prop firm. My man, Master Friend, uses a prop firm, and people in my trading group do. I love it. I think it's great that they do that. I'm just telling you that I did not. You know what I mean? If I didn't do something, it doesn't mean I'm hating on people that do it. I want to make that clear. If I like paddleboards and I say I paddleboard, I'm not hating on kayaks. You know what I mean? Just want to make that clear. In the past, I've been kind of like throwing some dirt on whenever I say what I like, but I'm not putting dirt on what other people like. You know what I mean? Anyway, I love you all. God bless you. Have a wonderful day. Please comment, like, and subscribe. Hit the bell for notifications. You can find out when I post my next video. Remember, if you came to the channel, then you're already doing the right thing, baby. Crypto is life. I'll see you tonight at 8 p.m. for Bitcoin and the weekly candle close. Stay amazing. Stay positive. This is all you have, is this life. You got nothing left, so you got to stay positive. That's how you're going to get to the next level. That's how you're going to achieve your greatness, and that's how you're going to pull in gratitude and create abundance. It's the frequency. It's the vibration. Are you hearing me? I love each and every one of you. Stay blessed. I'll see you tonight for the candle close.